If you've tried everything you know about thumbnails, titles, hooks, and storytelling, but your channel still doesn't grow, this video is for you. From low retention rates to confusion about your video ideas and finding the right audience for your channel, everything will be fixed in just 10 minutes. SWOT, SMART, 6 thinking hats, and the 5 whys. Use these techniques. Change your life forever. But before anything, I want you to forget everything you know about YouTube and clear your mind first. We're not going to focus on a whole channel. Let's just break it down to a small piece. Focus on making just one video. And let's say this video will only have one audience. And in my case, that audience is you. I should give you a name because I want to make you a part of this journey. Let's call you Moon. And Moon, I might know a couple of things about you that will surprise you. Ready? You are probably between 18 and 35 years old. You're ambitious and have big goals. Your priority is building a powerful YouTube channel to make money and afford the life you desire. You want to buy nice things for your mama. You spend 1 to 3 hours on YouTube every day, watching tutorials about video editing or YouTube tips and hacks. You tend to be introverted. And let's go even further. You're from the United States. That's a risky bet, huh? And how do I know these things? Because you are my avatar. Before I made this video, I created this avatar. I had to know who I'm gonna make this video for. That's the first step before anything and everything you should do, and it doesn't even start on YouTube. You might say, but there can be a lot of viewers, and not all of them have those traits you mentioned. You're right, because they are not Moon. They are Jupiter or Saturn or Pluto, and they can still watch my video. But I made this video especially for you. Imagine you want to create and sell a product and you have $1 million. This product may be suitable for many people, but you should know exactly what your target is. Would you invest all your money in a product without knowing which market group you're going to sell to? Would you leave everything to luck? I don't think so. Now let's sum it up. To create your audience avatar, check stats on sites like Statista. Know your audience's basics like age, gender, and location. Learn their interests and online habits. Understand their values and attitudes, then make a detailed profile, like I did for you. Now, Moon, let's move on to the next part, shall we? In this section, we'll concentrate on our video idea and everything that connected to it. I call this section the lands of whys. And I'm not even exaggerating. There's actually a technique called the 5 whys. It's one of 4 techniques that help you focus on your niche better. Now, let me explain. Before I created this video, I had an idea and wanted to know if it was worth it. So I asked myself the most important question. Why do I want to make a video about these techniques? Then I thought and said, well, because I think it's a good idea for a video, but I didn't stop there. I put another why before my answer and turned it into a question. Why I think it's a good idea for a video. Then I answered, because people need to know about these techniques. Then I added another, why? Why do people need to know about these techniques? Because even with a high CTR and good thumbnails and hooks, their videos don't get many views. Why even with a good CTR, their videos don't get many views? Because their videos' retention rate and watch time are low, keeping them stuck in the same spot. Why their videos' retention rate and watch time are low? There is no video on YouTube that practically explains and guides them to fix the problem. So, by asking why 5 times, I discovered that many people have low retention and watch time rates, and there is no YouTube video that can effectively solve this problem. Therefore, using this problem-solving technique can help you identify the root issue and see if your idea for a video actually serves people or not. Let me break it down for you. Solve people's problems in your video, and they'll watch it till the end. That's how you get high retention and watch time. Got it? Now, you might say, yes, this is good for tutorial videos, hacks, DIY projects, but what about the entertainment or gaming industry? Okay, that's a fair question. I want you to know that this technique is for you to realize if your video idea is worthwhile. For example, you could create a video about game reviewing. Find a game from your own perspective in a low competition market. Make a fun video, provide value to your audience, and ensure your video solves a problem for them. For instance, your review could help viewers decide if they want to start playing the game or not, saving them time. Now that we've got our whys, let's move on to the next section. SWOT. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of your video. What's good about my video, Moon? Maybe I give you good information. Or you like my editing skills. Well, this video is a little bit long and that makes it boring. It could be shorter. And AI voice, of course. I find some keywords that actually have high overall rates, and it suits my video. So if I use them, this video can blow up. What could get in the way of my video's success? Zombie apocalypse, I think. This part was easy, right? Now we should go to a court, the hard part. You remember Sorting Hat from Harry Potter? Well, we have 6 of them here with different colors. And your video will be judged here. Welcome to 6 Thinking Hats Hall. Moon, you should help me in this one. They are kind of brutal.
Did you prepare your tags, title, description, and statistic you need for your video, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Here it is.
Did you gain viewers' trust on the video with sharing personal stories? And did you empathize with them?
Yes, I think, sir.
Did you warn Moon that still with knowing all these techniques, it takes time to build a good channel?
Well, actually, we're not yet on that part.
Silent.
Moon, please be aware that you need some time to grow. Even with knowing all these things, or this hat will kill me.
Come on, Black Hat. He's going to make a lot of money if he grows his channel and he can collect a good audience. Right?
Yes, ma'am, that's right.
Yes, yes, yes! My turn! Give me your best idea! Come on!
Well, actually, I brought you to life and give you guys a character in my story, so I think it counts, right? Moon. Now we should wait. The blue hat will decide if we can go on with our idea or not.
Silent, everyone. The decision was made. Your idea and opportunity are good and suitable for publishing on YouTube. This is the road plan inducing the structure of the video, story, and thumbnail and title idea.
Thank you, sir. That was tough. Now you've met them, the 6 hats with different perspectives. This technique shows you how to see things from different angles. Be both positive and negative. Use logic and creativity. Be transparent in your videos whenever possible. Then, summarize everything and move on to the next section. But before we continue, I have some surprises for you at the end of this video. I know you're tired, just don't give up. This tool is called SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. What was the purpose of this video? Which metrics are important for me? Likes, comments, CTR, or retention rate? Now, I should set realistic goals for my video. Will this video be useful and relevant for my audience? Then, decide when I want to achieve them. That's it. We did it. Now you can sell this pen.
Sell me this pen.
Now, it's time for surprises. I've prepared all those techniques and tools as a PDF so you can use them whenever you want, with plenty of examples included, and it's absolutely free to download. Oh, and one more thing. I named you Moon because I didn't want to specify a gender. You can be a man or a woman. But when you come to this channel, you're Moon. But why Moon? Let's see.